Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video, guys, we will explain if a headlight doesn't work on a Chevy Cruze, what can cause that now, guys. We're talking about high beam headlight, let's say on the right side, left side, if low beams don't work, or if both of them do not work, guys, we will explain what to look for and how to know what's wrong with your car. So make sure you stay with us until the end. We'll guys have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's start on it now. So if guys the headlight doesn't work on one side, we have the high beams on and our right side is not working, okay, but the left side is working, okay, and we're going to discuss today what can cause all that. So make sure you stay with us until the end and we're going to share all the reasons with you guys. So I'll turn the car off, let me turn the headlights off and we'll start. Now, if both of the headlights do not turn on at all, guys, like nothing, it means that most likely you have a bad switch right here, okay, bad switch for the headlight. So you need to check this one. We have a video on the channel that explains how to replace that if you need to, so it could be a bad switch. Another thing, guys, that can be wrong with that thing, okay, there is actually a fuse, okay, for that switch. And this is fuse number 54, guys, right here. Fuse number 54 is for the headlight switch as well. So check that one as well, if both of them do not work. Now, if the low beams do not work, guys, okay, just low beam on left side doesn't work, check the bulbs, guys, okay, because most likely you have a bad bulb. If it's on the right side, low beams, check a bulb as well. You do not have a fuse for the low beams. Okay, you have a fuse only for the high beams on your Chevy Cruze, guys. Why? I don't know, but the high beams are different. Okay, high beams, each of the headlight has a fuse. And we'll show you, in our case, that's what's causing our problem now. So, in our case, guys, we have two fuses, okay, for the high beams. And I'm talking about fuse number 37, 38. 37 is for the right side, 38 is for the left side. Our right side is not working, so we pull that one out. Okay, we're going to replace it with a new one. If you want to see where we get all our fuses, replacement parts and all that stuff, guys, okay, check out the description of the video below, guys. You can see where we get all that from, and that way you can order the parts yourself. So I'm getting the new fuse now, push it in, perfect. Now let me go ahead, start the car, okay, and see if that is going to take care of it. Okay, let me see now. High beams on and both of them should work now. So if both of the lights do not work, still check fuses, but you may have, guys, a bad switch as well, and both of them work. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.